Have you ever wondered how computers seem to know so much? How they can recommend your next favorite song or even drive cars? It's all thanks to machine learning, a fascinating field where computers learn from data without being explicitly programmed. Imagine a child learning to ride a bike. They don't learn by memorizing a rule book. They learn by trying, falling, and adjusting. Similarly, machine learning algorithms learn by analyzing data, identifying patterns, and making predictions. This is a fundamental shift in how we interact with technology, moving away from rule-based programming towards systems that learn and adapt. This approach allows computers to tackle complex tasks that were previously considered the exclusive domain of human intelligence. From understanding natural language to diagnosing diseases, machine learning is rapidly transforming our world. This exciting field is driven by the ever-increasing availability of data and the development of powerful algorithms. As we delve deeper into the cosmos of machine learning, we'll uncover the mechanisms behind these intelligent systems. We'll also explore the profound implications of this technology for the future. The magic of machine learning unfolds in a systematic process. It begins with gathering vast amounts of relevant data. This data could be anything: images, text, numbers, sensor readings, you name it. Next comes pre-processing, where we clean and organize this raw data. Imagine a chef meticulously preparing ingredients before cooking a grand meal. Once the data is prepped, we choose a suitable machine learning model. Think of this model as a recipe with adjustable settings. This model is then trained on the prepared data. During training, the model learns to identify patterns and relationships within the data. It's like showing a child numerous examples of cats and dogs until they can tell the difference. After training, we evaluate the model's performance on unseen data. This step is crucial to ensure the model can generalize its learning to new situations. Imagine testing a student after they've finished studying a textbook. Based on the model's performance, we fine-tune its settings or even choose a different model altogether. This iterative process ensures we get the best possible results. Just as there are different ways to learn, there are different types of machine learning. Supervised learning is like learning with a teacher. We provide the algorithm with labeled data, telling it the correct answer for each example. The algorithm then learns to map inputs to outputs, like predicting house prices based on features like location and size. Unsupervised learning is like exploring a new city without a map. We give the algorithm unlabeled data and let it discover patterns and structures on its own. This approach is useful for tasks like customer segmentation, where we want to group similar customers based on their purchasing behavior. Finally, reinforcement learning is like training a dog with rewards and punishments. The algorithm learns through trial and error, receiving rewards for good actions and penalties for bad ones. This type of learning is used to develop self-driving cars and game-playing AI, where the algorithm learns to make optimal decisions in complex environments. Section 4. Machine learning in our world. Machine learning is not just a futuristic concept, it's already deeply embedded in our lives. Every time you unlock your phone with facial recognition, machine learning is at play. Online shopping recommendations? Machine learning again. From personalized medicine to fraud detection, machine learning is revolutionizing various industries. In healthcare, machine learning is helping doctors diagnose diseases earlier and more accurately. Machine learning algorithms can analyze medical images to detect tumors, predict patient outcomes, and even personalize treatment plans. In finance, machine learning is used to detect fraudulent transactions, assess risks, and provide personalized financial advice. The applications of machine learning are boundless, limited only by our imagination. As this technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative and impactful applications in the future. Section 5. The future of learning. Machine learning is not merely a technological advancement, it's a paradigm shift in how we solve problems and understand the world around us. As we amass more data and develop more sophisticated algorithms, the capabilities of machine learning will continue to expand, opening up new frontiers in various fields. However, this rapid progress also brings challenges. We must ensure that machine learning is developed and used responsibly, addressing ethical concerns such as bias, fairness, and transparency. The future of machine learning depends on our ability to harness its power for good while mitigating potential risks. As we venture further into the cosmos of artificial intelligence, machine learning stands as a shining beacon, illuminating the path towards a future where intelligent machines augment our abilities and help us tackle some of humanity's grandest challenges.